There are 3 proven places where you can implement AI into your business right now to make massive ROI. And I'm talking about automating lead qualification, marketing, and customer support. In this video, I'll give you a full breakdown of each area, backed by my experience of helping more than 20 companies to transform their operations with AI. Let's start with lead qualification. The most significant opportunity for businesses lies in AI agents. There are a lot of different AI agents that you can use for your business right now. For example, AI research agents, AI phone agents, AI accounting agents, AI finance agents, and so much more. Their systems don't just process data, but they actually act on it. AI can qualify leads, answer hard questions, and nurture prospects with your personalized follow-up across emails, SMS, social media, direct messages, and only send qualified leads to your sales team. You're wasting hours on tasks that AI could handle in minutes. Manual lead qualification is killing your profits in 3 ways. When leads come in, your team spends hours qualifying them. By the time they respond, your best leads have gone elsewhere. To handle more volume, you keep hiring more people. Automating these processes can create exponential returns. AI lead qualification becomes more valuable as you get more leads. AI customer support becomes more efficient with more interactions. Let me tell you a success story about how we transform real estate lead qualification with AI. Before using AI, they are doing manual lead qualification. 15 managers drawing in leads have slow response times and operation costs through the roof. We implemented AI that can qualify leads instantly with AI voice and text, matches buyers with a perfect real estate agent in that location. AI responds 24/7 and they will never miss to follow up. AI made them lead qualification 15% faster, saved more than $300,000 in operational costs within 3 months after implementing AI into their system. And team size changed from 15 managers to 1 manager from a call center. AI lead qualification, you can grow faster, spending less money, time, and overhead. Now let's talk about marketing. As business scales, maintaining a consistent brand presence across multiple channels can be a daunting task. It's crucial for every business, and this is also incredibly time-consuming tasks, as well as resource-intensive. For example, posting unique, valuable content multiple times a day automatically across all of your platforms. We all know that posting consistently drives growth. But who really has time to post 3 or 4 times a day? With AI social media automation, you can turn the latest news and insights for any topic or niche into unique posts that can go out on X, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram or YouTube. This was exactly the problem for one of our clients, an e-commerce brand they were facing. They were spending countless hours on repetitive tasks like crafting social media posts, setting up email campaigns, and analyzing advertising performance. AI can run social media posts, schedule content, and optimize running ads. And what we've done? First, we deployed AI-powered customer segmentation to analyze member data and create targeted audience clusters. This allowed us to make personalized content to offer separately for each segment of the product. Next, we used AI to automate content creation and scheduling of the email and SMS campaigns. And finally, we integrated AI-powered product recommendations into their customer communication. So based on the preferences of their customers, AI can really offer something to upsell and cross-sell. They increase more than $200,000 in revenue by implementing AI marketing automation solution that transform their operations from the ground up. So you might be wondering, if AI could be implemented for my industry specifically? Well, we have for sure a lot of case studies for that from different niches: Alchemist Accelerator, Techstars, Y Combinator, of course, all of that before and after. So go to fortify.com/contact, fill out the form, and you will receive the case studies into your mailbox. And finally, let's address the elephant in the room: customer support. As your business grows, so does the volume of customers. And this is a good sign, but if everything is always about human connection and personalizing the conversation, then why should we bother automating with customer communication? Well, the mess, the lost tickets, working overtime and answering the same questions over and over again, copy-pasting the same responses, and customers are waiting, getting unsatisfied, and they are leaving. Traditional customer support is inefficient. You're paying the team to repeat the same answers, handle basic questions, and manually look up customer histories. Of course, there is some cases where only human can deal with that, right? And should deal with that. But let's be honest, 90% of your customer support could be automated. And of course, the whole customer support is expensive, slow, and frustrating for your customers. And that will all disappear if you automate your customer support. I'm not talking about those annoying chatbots that frustrate your customers. This is all about intelligent systems that make your customers satisfied. AI can provide instant 24/7 support for common queries and issues, because you can give to AI the access to your knowledge base, kind of your website, information about the product, and even inner documents of your company. AI can understand customer intent, provide personalized recommendations, and even handle complex tasks like order modification and returns. The most important reason why most of the entrepreneurs use AI customer support is because of intelligent recognition. For example, customer contacts you and AI starts to recognize them by phone number, email, and pull up their purchase history, knows their preferences and past issues, which can perfectly satisfy a huge volume of customers with a personalization. Most importantly, faster than every human on the planet. The tools and technology exist today to start automating your most repetitive tasks and getting the rewards of AI efficiency and stay on track of business growth. So here you have it, 3 proven places to implement AI for massive return of investment. If you want to see how much manual lead qualification is costing your business and want to know exactly if you can implement AI into your business or how to implement it, and if it makes any sense for you, especially financial sense, I've opened for free AI automation consultation. We will dive deep into your unique business process and pinpoint where AI can start saving you time and money immediately. Just click the link below and fill out the short application form. If you qualify, then we will be in touch with you soon.